Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today is part 2 of the Valentine's Day looks that I am doing. I hope you guys enjoy and let's go ahead and get started. First, we'll be taking the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette. I will be mixing the shades Silk Cream and MFEO. And I will be taking them on a Morphe M441. I will then be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, taking the shade Eden. Going into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and taking that red shade. So what I'm doing is I'm winging it way out because I plan on doing a cut crease. I'm going to put the tiniest amount of Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette just to darken it a little tiny bit. So to cut the crease, I will be taking the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer on the back of my hand. Going to set all of that concealer with the Wet n Wild Single Shadow in Creme Brulee. We'll be taking the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to take the Jessie's Girl Loose Pigment. Going back in with that red shade again on top just to add some more brightness. I will be taking the Jordana Easy Liner in Sedona Red. And I'm gonna attempt something here. It could ruin the whole look. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the other one off camera because it takes a long time and I'll be right back. Okay, so both eyes are completed and I went over the lip liner with the DLS matte lipstick in Phantom and made it more bright. I feel like it looks more pink than red, which bothers me because this is the red one. But it's still gorgeous and I'm going to keep going anyway. I will be using the Tarte Tarteist Mascara. For lashes, I have no idea where I got these, but these are 002. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and pop these on and I'll be right back. I also finished the rest of my face off camera as well. These lashes are huge. Now I'm going to start the bottom lash line. I will be taking the shade Eden again in the Anastasia palette. God, frickin' timber. Going back in with that red shade in the Bring Me Back to Brazil palette. I will be going in the waterline with the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in Seashells. Then taking the Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Mascara. So I'm going to take these little beads. They're super tiny, so we'll see if I can even get them on. Beads are just the hardest thing to get on, I swear to God. Especially when they're this tiny. And then for lip color, I will be using the Sephora Luster Matte Longwear Lip Color in Ruby Luster. Alright guys, and that is it for this super glam drama red pink bead. I think that's it. Makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys!